replacing this little mechanism here. I've actually already ripped off the main device, but this is the replacement. The bracket is what you see on here right now. And we're actually going to take the bracket off that's on there from the previous one, and we're going to replace it with the new one that came in, which appears just to be two 10 millimeter bolts. Alright, so we've got it off. Now we're just going to put this in its place with that 10 millimeter screws. However, it'll go something like this. However, we've got to get that in the notch so that when this pulls, it pulls appropriately. So it's going to go something like this. Alright, so that's in. Installed it, and we have these two, let's see if you can see it, these two 10 millimeter bolts, and then you have this connection which is hooked back up. So now we're going to test it. So it seems to work. Using the remote. Alright, so let's test it and see if it works. Alright. There you go. It's a 2008 Honda Accord. Latch. I got it on Amazon. I believe it was $60 some odd, and it's a genuine Honda part, so pretty happy. Alright, thought I'd give you some bonus material. So if this goes bad on you and you don't have the $60 to fix it, or you gotta wait a week or two until you get paid, or whatever the situation may be, what you want to do is disconnect the electrical part. You can disconnect this wire here, the electrical and this wire. I ripped this off to the point where I had only the base left. You've got that spring, and that's what undoes the latch. So my rig of the moment is, if you don't have that, you can just go ahead and tie some string to it. I don't know if you can see it with the gloves. I put some fishing wire string, and I don't know, it's about 1.5 foot long, so that when this closes, it latches, and you just have to make sure the string is hanging out, and then you just pull the string and you undo the latch. Yes, it's ghetto, but it'll make it through if you really absolutely have to, until you get this in. So there's your bonus tip.